you can. We're deploying soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch enough practice. Time for the real thing. Plunder. Secure cash by completing contracts, looting, or eliminating targets. Plunder. Secure cash by completing contracts, looting. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Draft.
Time is up. Objective failed.
Points of the 36. Tom Thibodeau marking out
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
right down the pipe.
Positive ID on the mountain. Sort them out.
10 for Kuzma. Coming off the bench tonight. He's got it cooking early. 3. Randall keeps it up. That's Davis off his feet. Now Rose goes to work. On the shot clock, that little push shot is good. And that's right there with Drummond. Right in his grill. He was still able to get it up another turnover right here.
Someone go get that.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Target marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound. Impact, no joy.
Moving. Moving.
Drummond stood right there with him.
I'll take the wheel.
Drummond backing his way in.
Throwing front.
Caldwell over the rebound, wants to push it. Trying to go close to the point there. He'll back it able to identify where the opening was at because the defense was spread apart. Now he was able to attack right down the lane.
Fuck! Contact! Contact!
Kyle Kuzma, 12
Be
points
advised,
overall.
friendly precision airstrike in. Extraction is standing by. Mark it out there.
Jake's getting production from Derrick Rose. He's got 12 of those 25 for New York. Hot pass, well recovers. Can't finish it though, and Drummond cleans it up.
Scrub the contact.
Point Kuzma lets it fly, and another one rattles home. Kyle Kuzma.
Does anyone need this?
Enemy soldier incoming.
16 already.
Down!
Marking waypoint forward.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
A steal. Next turn it over. Three-pointer on its way from Caldwell Pope. Lakers kind of turning the tables on the Knicks, using the defense as offense. That time it was KC3.
Enemy soldier incoming. Bounty target is down. Well done.
Good upside.
Marking target. Marking target.
Ain't nothing better than sharing a beer. Don't you, Frank?